Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review a true magic camera. So this is Mology magic camera. This one is 2-in-1. It can work as a surveillance camera and as a vlogging, taking away completely portable camera as well. This one works on a 2.5K high quality type of a resolution, and you can stick this one anywhere you want. It is coming with this base, so if you want to use this one as a surveillance camera, can be put it anywhere, and this is a rotatable for 360 degrees type of a camera. You can charge this one from the base or from behind the camera as well. If you are choosing to use this one as a vlogging camera, then it can do it all. It can work as a pet camera, as a baby camera, as a vlogging camera, whatever works for you. Just look how small and tiny and gorgeous this camera is. So it is coming with a back right here, and first of all, this one is in 100% magnetic back, so you can attach this one to any magnetic surface. And what you can also do is you can remove the back of this camera. It is connected on magnet as well. Then you have here at the back all the settings. You can charge it from here, you can reset it from here, and the CD card that this camera comes with is coming at the back as well. Now, this is a fully 100% magnetic back, so not that you can just simply attach this camera to any magnetic surface, but also you can use this back of the camera as a stand, type of a tripod, like a stand to put the camera on. It is as well connected by magnetic, so you can just simply put it anywhere you want, or magnetically connect this one anywhere you want. This camera also coming with an adhesive sticker, so you simply stick this sticker to any type of a surface, any single type of a surface, simply stick it in, and the sticker is magnetic, so you are simply attaching your camera to this sticker, and you can move and rotate your camera any way you want, and you simply can stick it any way you want. It can film from upside down, from any possible angle. There is no end to your imagination. You choose the way you want to use this camera. Then we are done. It is coming with a magnetic necklace, so you can hang this necklace anywhere you want, on yourself or anywhere else. So once this is on yourself, you can adjust the length of the necklace as well. Here you go. Simply put this camera on yourself, and you can just walk and film all the surrounding anywhere you go, as well as you can put this one as a bracelet on your hand, on your leg. There is no limit to the imagination. You can use this necklace by any way you see fit. So guys, let me tell you more about this camera and show you all the possible variations I could create by using this camera. So this is a Mology magic camera. This one is good for any type of camera using. It can be used as a vlogging camera. It's definitely a 2-in-1. It can be used as a surveillance camera as well, and it is just like 2-in-1. It can be used indoor, outdoor, for pet, as a baby camera. It is having the motion detection, it's having the time-lapse feature, and so very on. So Mology is a new brand out there that, guys, you definitely have to know about it. This camera is having such a sleek and gorgeous design. A model called MA01. It is a magic, definitely magic camera. It can work seamlessly either as you go-to vlogging camera or as your smart home security camera as well, and any other type of scenario that you can think of. There is no limit to your imagination. To use it as a home security camera, you should put it on to the base. This is a definitely hands-free POV magic camera. It comes with a magnet pendant included in the package, and you can use this pendant. Just simply put it on yourself or hang it whenever you feel like. And Mology magic camera will allow you a hands-free POV video in a creative, any possible angles at 2.5K resolution. Yes, this camera is providing you with a 2.5K high quality resolution. So it is time to immerse yourself in capturing the best life's precious moments. This one came with a 32GB CD card already packed in the package. So you just simply need to remove the back of the camera and insert the card. Also, it came with a card pin, so this is how you can take it off to reset your camera. It came with a power cable, it came with a magnet pendant that I just talked about it before, with the base, and with one washable ajmWZ sticker. You can use this sticker as well to mount this camera anywhere. This camera's versatile magnetic design allows you to mount it anywhere. This magic camera came with the adhesive sticker inside of the package. So this sticker gives you an endless creative possibilities to mount this camera anywhere you want. You can put it on any type of surface. It works as a magnet on one side, so you can magnetically connect the camera to this sticker, and as a sticker on the other side, so you can stick it to any type of surface. So this will give you endless, as our universe, possibilities to mount this camera anywhere you want and to get the best shots. So the creativeness possibilities are having no limits. This one is definitely perfect for home security as well as for daily vlogging, for your pets, traveling, as your baby camera, and so very on. This is so very tiny but so very mighty. This Mology Magic Camera only weighs 3 pounds without the base, and it supports any type of Wi-Fi connection like 2.4 as well as 5G. It have the motion detection abilities, and it features the time-lapse function. So when used as a surveillance camera, it is gonna support the 360 degrees of a live view of your house. So you can simply attach this camera to any magnetic surface or to any surface by using this sticker and go. It is a great experience with the ultimate convenience with a magnetic design. The design is amazing. You can once again put it anywhere you want. Effortless, great high quality type of camera that will provide you with a high quality type of a picture. The image quality is stunning and so very impressive. To adjust the angle with ease for the perfect viewing, you can just simply rotate it and put it anywhere you want. The sticker is washable, so it ensures a hassle-free installation. Even on a non-magnetic surfaces, any type of a surface will work with this sticker. This camera offering an excellent battery life, so it is allowing you to capture up to 800 shots on a single full charge. The actual battery life may vary depending on your usage, of course, and on the shooting conditions, but I'm telling you guys, if you are vlogging, if you are out there to vlog, this camera is a must-have for you. So guys, I truly hope it was helpful, and be so very sure to check this magic camera out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of this magic camera 2-in-1. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I am definitely going to use this camera for any of my next vlogs, because usually I am filming my vlogs from my iPhone, but as you could see in my latest vlog from Atlanta when I reviewed the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, you could see that the quality wasn't the best. So this camera definitely gonna give me way better type of a quality than my iPhone is capable of, and it is such a lightweight type of a camera. You can take this one with you anywhere you are going. The life battery is one of the longest I've seen for that type of a camera. It's like small but so very effective. Definitely can be taken with you anywhere you're going, can be used as a hidden camera as well. So guys, be so very sure to check this one out. I will leave you all the possible links down below in the description to this video of mine, and this is highly recommended because it's such a cool camera that opens in front of you impossibly like endless types of possibilities, of options, of creativeness, how to film your videos, how to create this gorgeously looking type of a content. This camera is definitely the most favorite right now for any type of a vlogging, for any type of a shooting, because it gives you so much options and possibilities. So guys, be so very sure to check Mology Magic Camera out. This magic camera, it's a true magic. So guys, be so very sure to check this one out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box. All the information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, all the possible information of how to save your money and where to get this camera, everything gonna be available down below in the description box to this video of mine. And that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Please let me know what do you think about this camera? What camera do you use? Do you even use your camera, or what for you are using your camera? I definitely love the pet and the baby abilities of this camera. There is a two-way audio ability of like you can speak through this camera. So many good things. So guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.